Installation. Let's take a minute to see how to set up DoctorDriver for your smartphone. Once downloading the DoctorDriver app, follow the simple procedure below to use DoctorDriver as your professional diagnostic scanning tool. The following steps require you to plug your DoctorDriver sensor into your OBD2 port. The OBD2 port looks like this, usually black or white, but it can also be a different color. First, find your OBD2 port, also called as DLC or data port. In most cases, the OBD2 port is located below the steering column. It may also be located at the center console, sometimes on the passenger side. Let's start to install the sensor. Plug the DoctorDriver sensor into your OBD2 port. Start your vehicle. Then tap the DoctorDriver app on your smartphone. First, you can see the start of the DoctorDriver logo, and wait for the app to display the end of the activity indicator running. If the activity indicator has not ended, close the app and repeat the above steps. Now, the DoctorDriver app will complete the connection and you're ready to enjoy it. Please note, pairing and connecting only has to be done once. In some rare case, when pairing is lost, the indicator LED will turn dark and you can repeat the above pairing and connecting steps. You can also leave the sensor plugged in as long as you like. You can also unplug it and use it on other vehicles as you like. DoctorDriver, professional OBD2 diagnostic for you.